Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we completed our lesson number 10, right? So today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 11, our vehicles. What is vehicle students? You know? Yes, where with the help of vehicles we can go from one place to another place, right? You know students, in ancient times, means some years ago, we used horse, camels, bullock cart, horse cart, camel carts for traveling one place to another place. But nowadays, with the help of science and technology, we have mechanical vehicles like cars, buses, railways, trucks, aeroplane, etc. to travel from one place to another place. Okay, you can see here students, here one poem is given and the name is The Train. Let's read it. Come on children, let's play a game. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb aboard the changing train. Blow your whistles and take your seat. On two shoulders if you please. Forward, backward, forward. But in a line, don't run outward. This is the rule of game. Stay in line, don't run outward. Stay in line and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. Chuk, chuk, chuk. The train is on its way. What kind of sound train makes, students? Yes, chuk, chuk, chuk. Stop, stop, stop. All the stations say. Wherever station comes, train will stop. On roads of iron means students? Track, railway track. We move to and fro. Here come the lights and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills, past aging farmers, temples, mills, past village, wells and a lush green field with broken walls and a potato field. Train passes through meadows, hills, farmers, temples, mills. Okay? Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Smoky clouds, fairs and crowds. Village fairs, readers on Mars. Flocks of birds, clustered hunts, bridges and paths, dhobi ghats. Small tea shops, puddles and flocks. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Think and tell. How did you like the poem, students? I loved the poem. Here you have to write your own answer. Have you ever traveled in a train? When? Have you ever traveled in a train? Yes, I travel in a train every time when we go to my uncle's place in summer holidays. Okay? So ask this question to yourself and answer your own word. Can a train move anywhere? Why? Can a train move anywhere, students? Have you ever seen that train moves on road? No. A train cannot move anywhere because it can move only on the rail tracks. You can see here students, this is rail tracks. What is meant by rods of iron, students? Rods of iron means iron rail tracks on which a train moves, which we have earlier seen, right? Read and write. Which places did the train pass by? Make a list. You can see here students. Across the meadows, over the hills, past aging farmers, temples, mills, past village wells and a lush green field with broken walls and a potato field. So the answer is the train passed by meadows, over the hills, farmers, temples, mills, village wells, and a lush green field and a potato field. Okay. Now the next. Which vehicle have you traveled in? Which vehicle have you traveled in? I have traveled in bicycle, bike, auto, car, bus, train, and aeroplane. So here you have to write your own answer. Okay. Read and understand. During vacation, all go out of station. Some go nearby, wherever. Some go nearby, whereas some go for far away places. Some of them are going by bus, train, or aeroplane. Journey can be done in many ways. Some children set their vacation here. So let's see here, students. I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier, we used to go from the railway station to his house in a bus. But this time, it was great fun. We went by the metro car, which went through an underground tunnel. We did not even come to know that cars were running on the road above the tunnel. You can see students. She said that every time she used bus, but at this time she used metro train, and it was great fun. Now the next. It was my bua's wedding. I met many relatives. We had a good time eating, drinking, and playing. Bhaiya come from America in an aeroplane. Imagine, he come from so far but reaches in one day. Bua looked very beautiful when she was going in the palanquin. It is called palanquin, students. Now the next. I went to my nanny's house in Kerala. Where she lives, there is water everywhere. From the station, we could have taken a bus or a taxi to reach her house. Instead, we took a boat straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. We went to Simla during the vacation. The bus moved on the zip-zap road on high mountains. It was very scary when we looked down. We had to walk long distance in Simla. My daddy would get tired very quickly. We would make her ride on the horse. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. My Masi lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my cycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a pedal rickshaw. You can see our students. This is pedal rickshaw. I have to take Ma and Chotu have to take a pedal rickshaw to go to Nani's house. Now the next. I went to my Mamaji's village. From the railway station, there is no bus going to his village. So we went in a bullock cart. This is bullock cart, students. We crossed lush green field on the way to the village. I loved the sounds of the bells tied around the necks of the bulls. Which all vehicles did the children travel in? Here you have to write the name of all these vehicles. You can see. Okay. So bus, metro train, car, aeroplane, palanquin, taxi, boat, horse, cycle, pedal rickshaw and bullock cart. Okay, so with this we are going to put over here. Okay students, thank you.